You vlog. Hey guys, and today, welcome to the vlog. It's Vinci, and I'm gonna extend the selfie stick. There.
Careful, like bali. Bali.
Valley.
Yeah.
Valley. Hold it, bay.
Kistingin lang diha. Ato lang butang. Buka ha. Bawa ng butong ba? Open it, veg.
Butong guys, suka butong.
Ilawan. Diba ka matadtad daw, sir? Gusto ko mag-sir. Kala, sir.
Wait, not that.
Ikaw lang.
Not the.
Bijuhin lang ni sir.
Sheesh. It's Caesar's pro.
What's
the
difference?
Jay, ay mong hedong ikuan.
It's going down, but it's going down.
May gusto na.
Oh,
Ay bawo na si sir.
Kapag si Sir.
I wanna learn.
That's what TikTokers do to your life, guys.
I don't think there's water in it.
Gahe.
Gahe no.
Mura gahe.
His thumb.
Bitaw ako bitaw ni silang gikuan kay ngadto na lang sa poultry si babaw ba na may dahang butong ato. Di man ha? Imurukot sa
Oh, there's a bit of water.
Sir, first taste, sir. First taste, first taste.
Or I think it's hard.
bukaan na lang. Buko na lang. Inom tubig.
Gahe no.
Pagdiri Jay.
It's hard.
Bawa na.
Because the meat is thick.
Katong dapit dito ka.
First taste, sir. First taste, first taste, first taste.
Remember?
First taste, sir. First taste, first taste.
Dito ba dapit?
Oh, oh, oh.
Chug, chug,
Chug, chug, chug. Oh, oh.
One chug. I don't video.
Oh. Sir, rated 1 out of 10, sir.
So good.
That's so good.
Refreshing.
That is a, what you call it, guys, a very nice review.
I think you can eat that, right? Or is that
Yeah, the meat. You can eat the meat.
Get that one. You wanna try that one? Open it.
Another day, another
You asked her
victory
how
for
to
the
do it.
Fortnite OG. No, like that, no. So,
Kana i-try.
it's like 30 degrees going down. You cut it going down. The slanting ba? Ano?
Here, let's open the pot.
Sige itibaw.
Vinci.
I know how I'm a pro.
Oh, teacher.
Inom anak tubig. Ina.
Sheesh.
My lola's like.
Sir Ken is very pro and
Yeah. All I do is watch.
see it's ovage. It's 30 degrees going down.
What do you mean by that, bro? It's just my turn to going all the way down, bro.
Nope. It's going down.
Prove it. Prove it, little bro. One chug.
Want to bring that? Want to drink that?
Chug.
Me first,
Okay
me.
na siya.
Me first, me first, me. Okay, go.
Chug, chug.
Okay.
Chug.
Okay, one by one.
Okay na siya, madam.
Sige.
Mm.
Okay, hold me.
Why will you win?
Okay, guys.
For fun.
This is
Very sweet.
So, you know, put in your shirt. So,
But you're wasting it.
So you
Don't feed me, don't feed.
Okay. I'll off it.
Go feed.
I'll off it. Let me gab.
what is the quality?
Let me gab.
What's the quality? Is it good?
Good.
10 out
Okay,
of
1 out
10.
of 10.
Hey, give VJ. Let me turn this off.
So fresh.
It's your favorite,
Look
boy.
at
If
this.
you drank that in the city.
Oh wow. Open for the meat.
Open.
Hey yo, what
Yo, chill.
chill.
Buk ako no dong.
He's like
Saman, I will get kutsara.
inside the.
My turn.
My, that's not how you drink coconut.
Nice soda.
You don't go for the
No more? Wait, I'll cut it.
For the
How
meat.
do we get the meat out?
Spoon.
You have to cut it. Spoon. You can use man this one. Huh?
Oh, there's spoon there.
way.
Oh. Boom, baklat. Video.
This is Sirkan.
This is
showing
Sirkan.
his scouting
Showing us ska.
experience.
This is the reason why. This is the best outfit advisor. But you guys are primitive as hell.
No, that's what they did. That's what they did in Bohol by.
Yum tapeworm. I love tapeworms.
Let me try.
Sheesh, so pro.
It's so sweet.
Is that Jojo? Hey Jojo. So here's the here's the quantity. So the green coconuts, they have a lot of water. Brown coconuts have a lot of meat.
Boy Scout yun na. Ilabay skillet inyong kuan. Kana Boy Scout yun na.
Oh, ba? Oh.
Oh. Na kana Boy Scout yun oh. Ada guwang na ma. Kani lugito na siya sa kuan sir. Dili na makuha sa kutsara. Katong kuan ni sir.
I don't think that will work, Mati.
Di ana lang ni siya sir.
Holy shit.
Di ana siya sa limpyo.
Bike, you can eat that.
Limpyo siya sa bunot. Oh. Kana ilang kuan
Okay,
palatay.
let's go on.
Kari ay kang kuan sir ay. Limpyuhan ani mo bol sa bunot. Ang guna.
Wala,
Wala ba ako pang limpihan mo?
Kari ay. Yes, mga ikaw. Ikaw na do. Ay nagyabay ang imo.
Hey guys,
Mukbang.
ano ito ako coconut?
You done? Let me wipe.
Very fresh, very
Can I
fresh.
make spoon, sir?
No,
Ya yang limpyuhan. Kana ay. Ay mo sini. Tubig di.
This is the very fresh experience of the province and are very nice, very cool, and very pro so you can.
Maybe I can, if possible, I'm gonna open up a buku.
Look at this, Vic, look at this, look at this. Vic, look at this, Vic. Look at this meat, look at this meat.
Mukbang. Wah.
Boy.
Namantay mo ang luwag kana. Kana siya mo para Boy Scout yun. Kana ana ona siyang sir. Ano yung kaunon. Pero mo gusto.
Mati's vlog.
Very good. Very fresh and very province.
Laban kita ninyo. Kasi sir magsunod dito sa
Uy, Mat.
Share mat.
Half. Just stare at the part. Is your mouth? Ano ba?
kuha bisag ting
Uy. So here guys,
Here.
very big chunk of meat.
I like the soft.
This is the bukid life.
Pistachio, get out pistachio.
Kaya ato mi si sir. Apas mo diri ha.
You get up.
no, I'll...
Dapat dahan tubig kare.
And the best experience.
Phone.
The best. She can hold my phone, Jay. Nag-vlog man ko.
Oh yeah.
Bay, hold that bay. Ito ba? My phone, get my phone. I'm vlogging. The best experience. I have the other scouts are here, but unfortunately they're too lazy. Therefore, I'm the Eagle Scout.
Where's your...
It's the best.
Oh, there's a kutsara oh. You want? Sir, imo sir. Oh. Kao sa dito.
It's very fresh.
I think that's salty.
Yeah, that one. The watery.
Asa man imong kondom? Sara.
Where's the?
Masi.
I want the drink.
Here's more food.
That's hard, babe.
Yeah, it's very hard.
Rip it.
This is the best.
So hard.
Sakto daw.
Grabe.
Ah, sige lang go daw. Basaran sa doon.
Very good, very good.
Maugagi kahit.
Medyo.
Ayaw nang gani.
No, the water.
Water.
Here's Gab drinking another. Oh.
Drink ka ng upan niya.
And I have a question for you, Gab. What's the taste and what does the feel like?
This what? Huh?
What does it taste like?
Water.
And what do you rate it out of a 10?
Ano po? Ito lang din.
Tastes like water.
Nice.
Like water.
Look at these scouts. They're using everything in their power to get all the meat out.
Yes. Very delicious.
Beach water, beach.
10 over 10.
Beach water, beach.
Here, oh. Can you open this one, sir?
Ang water dong init.
Can you open this one, sir?
Lamay.
Init mo karisma mo gabitaw.
And the circumstance. We're done.
Beach.
Sir Ken is the best.
I already drunk.
Sir Ken is the coconut merchant. This guy is very good
Money will bring there, sir.
at opening coconuts.
Ato dong, ko ah. Yeah, ko ato dong.
And I feel like we're gonna bring for the other scouts. No, the water, sir. So, another buko. Mm. Very refreshing.
Lami.
Ito sa unique taste.
Hey guys, is my mom.
Yeah.
Sir, wag ka may naman ni Sir Lami. Haman to yung gikuha. Hay man to. Uni nindot ni imnon kung tragkok.
Natural sugars.
Kana
Pabli na ba?
nagpa-teacher.
Pabli na.
Teacher nila. Wala ko papantara kay mapin niya ilang kamot.
Try the water on that. Bro.
This is Sir Ken.
Yeah, check
Oh,
everything.
oh.
Check everything.
Check.
Mao ni madam.
Jug, sir, jug.
How do you open this?
Sweet, sir.
We just have to aim in the center. Excuse.
Center of gravity.
It's not even center.
Where's the spoon-looking thing, Vid?
Oh, dito oh.
You can make your own man.
No, the katong coconut.
Yummy, sir.
Labay ninyo.
Yeah. No, you can. No,
Skip it,
nah,
skip
that's
it, skip
boring.
it.
That's boring.
Kada
No,
sir mo
hold it.
nagikuha bago sir.
Hold it.
Kuha
You use
tayo
that,
kung
no?
kuha unang uban.
Sakto.
Saktura ko na kuya. Pila?
There's still water here, Gab.
Tulo?
There's still. Check it. Check everything. Check everything.
Ah, patay niyo. Mangita-kita ka nito asa din niya.
Very nice.
Kaon ka nang officer na kanang kuyamis.
Kung sa ba?
Kana siya no siya pero makaw yung bunot ba imo kuan ang iyang juice.
Wala madam.
Nanaan sa
Pretty good.
sa una. Or nakakuha
Wait,
ka na.
Kita ko anang gi ko ano.
Okay, it's
Oo.
boring.
Ano
No
ang
more?
niya?
No more?
Ang juice ray. Kuan
Mura
ang
sa
bunot.
kanang tubo.
Oo
Sir.
ana.
I'll try though cutting this off.
Oh basta na kuan niya hand to ha.
And
Tanay mo cellphone.
we're gonna meet you back
Sir, bantay
at the
itaw,
camp.
Sir, among kamot na.
Excuse.